Dear friends, good morning. This is the first video for this YouTube channel. What I'm making for the short-term stocks. Request your support to subscribe our channel and provide your supports and give the recommendations to your friends and relatives to subscribe our channels and request to like our video. Definitely, I'll assure that this video will be useful for you. We'll go inside our video and content. So this is our last week. What happens in Nifty 50? So the market is running in the sideways and almost is closed what is open on Monday. And we facing a huge resistance in 1000, that is 14,800 and 15,000. So if it crashes 15,000, definitely the market trend will be up and we'll see the good entries. But please take care of your investments because we have the huge infection rate of COVID-19 and we made the one-day infection rate the world first high infection rate. So keep eye on very closely on your investments. Do not lose your monies due to this downtrend of the market. So even though the market is running on the sideways and in the downtrend, we seeing some few stocks coming up. That means against the Nifty it's growing up. So definitely few people will can remember in the March 2020 how the market was fell down. The particularly IT and pharma stocks will be flying away. So this year also the COVID situation is coming up. No infection rate is coming up, so we use this opportunity to invest wisely on the pharma sector. Already the pharma sector has started to uptrend. The IT sector also coming up, and particularly for the steel sectors also have the good growth. You people know that the steel prices are increasing 15 to 20% in the market. So definitely the corresponding companies getting higher demand. So whatever I focusing now in this particular video, we focusing on the pharma, hospital, and IT stocks, and then we'll have the metal stocks. So IT stocks, I have the different opinion. Let's have the different video. I will post on that. So the first stock what we going to see here is Arvind Pharma. So in this Arvind Pharma, if you see, we have the high buying pressure in the day chart. So if it crashes more than 1015, surely it will go up to 1060 and more than this. So as the academic purpose, you can see, you can watch this video, and whenever you have the entry, you can do the paper trading and you see on that. So apart from the day chart, if you see the weekly chart, so you see that from 820, now it crashing the 993. Now it's almost a 993 now. It's crashing more than 1000. So it is a good return. If you are invested almost 5 weeks back. So definitely there will be a huge growth rate in this particular stock. So kindly focus and get entry in accordingly. So the second stock is a Tata Steel. If you see the Tata Steel, it has the buying pressure now. This is the weekly chart. So in the February, it is almost a 600. Now it's crashes to the 960, almost a 50% return in this. So even though the market the steel prices keep on increasing, maybe in 1060 we have the good entry, and it will have the good returns in a couple of weeks. And then we'll go for the hospital stock, the Cadilo Healthcare. So the hospital and the pharma sector in this. So if you see in this particular stocks, so there is a huge buying pressure here, and if you get entry in the 570, definitely it will crashes more than that. 5 to 10% returns we are expecting in this. But only thing is, always you keep remember, you see the market trend and demand everything. Accordingly, you choose the number of shares you're buying in that. But always I recommend do the paper trading before enter into the any investments. So this is the weekly trend of the Cardlia Healthcare. So if you see the March, if you see the March end, the April end. So it was 420. Now it's crossing the 570. So definitely after 580, that is a 575 to 580. So it will shoot up to the 620. That is my prediction. That is how that technical charts is explaining. But always remember that see how the market trend running, and then have the eye on this particular stock. And then the next stock is ICICI Prudential. So in the ICICI Prudential also the daily chart now we are seeing the buying pressure. So the reason behind that is FFI keep on increasing to accommodate this particular stock, and we need to see that what is the how the stocks get move forward. So if it crosses more than 520 and it sustains, definitely we have the good opportunity for the 540 and then 560 or 565 accordingly. So apart from this buying stocks, okay, and then the Petronet is have the reversal pattern now. If you see this particular chart, so if you get entered in the 238 is a good entry point. So right, in the Petronet in the market we have the very huge demand on the core gas. So that's how this particular stocks is going up now. So if you focus this particular stock, now we'll get reasonable return. Okay, apart from this short-term stocks, there is some other stocks where the FFI accumulating continuously the last quarter. That is a SBI Life Insurance Company and Power Grid and Hero Motor. So in the next video, I will cover up these three stocks and let have the clear view how it goes up and down, all the things. The Tata Steel already covered. So I think this video will be helpful for you, and you can see the good entry point and good return by investing the stocks. Always I recommend do the paper trading and paper trial before entering into the market stocks. Thank you very much for watching my video. I request to give the support and recommend our videos to your friends and relatives. So kindly follow in our Telegram channels. Thank you very much.